So we're right outside of dinner, and it is formal night, so we got really dressed up, especially Pat. Do y'all like his shirt? I think it's really nice. It's one of a kind.
Yeah, it is. It is definitely one of a kind.
I love it.
I better not see any of y'all wearing one.
Yeah, you'd be big doo-doo.
Yeah.
All right, well, we're going to dinner. It's formal night. We're going to see what they got.
All right, we'll bring you that menu right about.
Okay.
Appetizer, clam chowder. Terry got
by the bar.
nothing. And she got
Because
salad.
we've never been there, so we figured the best way to see it all.
Second appetizer, lentil soup. My last appetizer, escargot. If it had smell-o-vision, you'd smell the garlic. Terry got the filet mignon.
Yeah, I got a lot of
Taters.
He did too, I didn't.
I got the roasted
No, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. But do you have any sauce? Yeah. Okay.
To the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama. I heard her voice in the morning, oh, she goes me. Red Hill reminds me of my home, far away. Driving down the road, I get the feeling that I should have been home.
We're going to comedy, and I don't know the last name yet. We'll know we'll get in there, but let's go get longer. It's going to fill up.
I'll show you.
Yeah.
Not exactly. Good evening. Gonna get loud in here.
We're at the Atrium Bar, and we're closing out the night with guess what?
Chuck.
Cheers.
Martini. Oh, I gotta be so careful all the
So
time.
good.
That was pretty strong. That's pretty good though. Alright, so anyway, so today was a sea day, tomorrow's another sea
Another
day.
sea day.
And we're moving along.
We went to the comedy show, and it was hilarious.
Twice.
Both of them were good.
Yep, both of them were good. And she laid by the pool all day, you know the routine. I went to the casino
I
and
read my book. He was a loser. Didn't he?
loser today. I'm a loser every day, but you know what I mean. So mean. Alright, so anyway, say hi to my shirt. Bye night.
Nice shirt, pie.
Yeah. Alright. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow.
Cheers.
Bright and early. Another sea day, but we'll try to find something to bring you. Alright. Bye-bye.
Bye. Good night.
Well, good morning, but how you doing? Another one way over there. And you can see we are nowhere. What are we doing, babe?
We're walking, running.
Walking, running.
Got 10.
That goes
And the
11.
ship is in the city.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Hey, wait!
Fishing boat.
Mommy, tricked you!
Land is way over there. beautiful day today. Right, so this was on my door. Now they do this all the time. So I'm on my way to $300 in free play just for playing. But to unlock it, today is November 3rd. So by 11:59 tomorrow night, if I get up to 8,000 points, so that would be like 16 grand to earn that 300 points. If you're a big gambler, they're worth it because they offer it more for some people, but I don't know. I don't think that's gonna happen.
Applause one more time! You're the Hula Hoop VIP Carnival 2025, almost 2026. The winner, the one and the only. And you won a beautiful prize. It's a 24-carat ship on a stick. It's all gold, trust me.
We're going to dinner.
Dinner.
We're all cleaned up, ready to go dinner, and we're hungry because Pat didn't eat lunch. He didn't get his spaghetti today.
I know, I didn't. I was talking to Kevin.
He was talking to Kevin. It's all Kevin's fault.
It is all Kevin.
But now we're going to dinner, and Pat's really hungry. I did get a deli sandwich for lunch, so I'm good.
I'm probably going to get 2 of everything, and I'll show you that menu right
2
about
of everything. Now.
I got
Marinated chicken tenders.
chicken noodle soup, marinated chicken tenders. Terry got
Greek
the
salad.
food that food eats,
Greek
salad.
The food that
My third appetizer, jambalaya.
And then didn't read mine.
Such a pig.
Because I told you we could, it was just too small.
All right, Terry got marinated chicken tenders as her meals. She's not very hungry because she ate lunch.
No.
I got nothing yet. All right, and I got the portobello mushroom. I'm gonna try it. Never tried it before. I'm gonna try it. I love mushrooms. years old. 21st, 29th.
Just cups.
That's okay. It's okay.
Now we're gonna sing the song.
Okay, thank you everyone.
Let me try my violin.
Sing it, Robert.
Happy birthday to you. Yo! Happy birthday to you. Yo! Happy birthday, dear Kathy. Happy birthday to you. It's kind of scary, spooky, Halloweeny in here.
Halloween's over.
Oh.
It's not scary. They have the lights down because we're in the comedy show.
Not yet.
We are in the comedy show.
That's true, we are in the comedy
It
show.
hasn't
It's just haven't
started
happened. All right, so here we go. We'll bring that to you in like 2 seconds.
Yeah.
1001, 1002. Good evening.
I'm at the Ocean Plaza Bar on the Vista, and we decided to come here to do our closeout video and drink our really good.
Chocolate martini. You know why we drink them?
So good.
They're so good.
It's so good. It's a good nightcap.
It is.
Makes Pat sleep good.
Yeah. I'm not going to bed though.
You guys are going to casino.
I am. I didn't go last night. Anyway, so alright, so we laid by the pool all day, went to dinner, went to the silent disco
The comedy
and
show.
comedy show, and now we're gonna probably call it a night.
A great day.
Fun day.
Weather was beautiful.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Tomorrow is Aruba, so we'll bring you that. We haven't been there many, many times, but maybe the third or fourth time. So. All right, we'll bring that to you. Say bye.
Bye.
Oh, and guess who's here? Hi, you. Say hi, you.
Hi, welcome back again.
So she's still here, and Red went home,
Yeah.
but his brother's here, Reggie. We'll have to find Reggie. All right.